Yes, it is Cash Money Master coming to you once again with crypto info that I have for you, like I always do. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Happy Tuesday to each and everyone out there. Welcome to my channel. As you know, is the Cash Money Master. And on this channel of mine, I talk about cryptocurrencies. But if you don't know what cryptocurrency is, I'm sure you do know what fiat currency is, because fiat currency is the money that we use on a daily basis, which is paper money. Now let us find out the difference between fiat and crypto. Well, fiat currency is centralized, issued and controlled by third parties, while cryptocurrency is decentralized. Transactions are peer to peer. Cryptocurrencies exist in limited quantities, while fiat currencies can be issued at will. Bitcoin, for example, is limited to 21 million units. Now, the difference between the two currencies is that fiat currency is controlled by a third party, and this third party issues this cryptocurrency, and it does so as it so wishes. So there is no limit as to how much this third party can print out, which is paper money. When on the other hand, Bitcoin has limited quantities. When transactions are made, they are from a person to another, which is peer to peer. So there is no third party involved. There is no intermediary. And as we know, Bitcoin has limited supply, which is 21 million units. Now let us have a close look at these two currencies and compare them to actually understand what is the difference between the two currencies that we are talking about, which is fiat and crypto. Well, fiat, it's physical. It's paper money that you can see with your eyes and you can even hold it with your hands. On the other hand, crypto is digital. Digital simply means that you cannot hold it with your hand, yet you can see the transaction on the device that you are using. It could be a cell phone, it could be a tablet, laptop, or even your personal computer. That's what digital currency is. Fiat currency is issued by governments. Then crypto is generated by computers. Fiat currency is centralized. It's even monitored by government. While on the other hand, crypto is decentralized. No one can control it. Fiat currency has unlimited supply and crypto has limited supply. Fiat currency is restricted by borders while crypto is unseizable. Now, this is the difference between the two currencies. As we recall, Bitcoin is being used as an example because it is the first cryptocurrency to be presented to the cryptocurrency space. Now, let us find out what is Bitcoin in the simplest way. Well, Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, a visual currency designed to act as money and a form of payment outside the control of any person, group, or entity, thus removing the need for third-party involvement in financial transactions. Now, that's the simplest explanation of what Bitcoin is. Now, let us proceed and have a look and see as to where can one get full information about Bitcoin. To get full information on what Bitcoin is, you need to get yourself the Bitcoin white paper. It will explain in detail as what Bitcoin is. Let me just read the first paragraph so that you can get an idea as to what Bitcoin is. Published in October 2008 by an individual or a group under the name Satoshi Nakamoto. The Bitcoin white paper laid the groundwork for a fundamental change in the execution of global payments and the transformation of entire industries in terms of data management. Now we know, and we can actually pick up the important points that have been mentioned here, that Bitcoin was published in October 2008 by an individual or a group of people calling themselves Satoshi Nakamoto. They came up with this cryptocurrency so that they can execute the global payments and actually transform the entire industry in terms of data management. Now, that's just a part of what Bitcoin is, so you can get full details on what is Bitcoin. To find out, you can type Bitcoin, then type white paper on your browser, and then scroll down until you find bitpanda.com. Then click on bitpanda.com. You will get full details. You'll get full details on what Bitcoin is. Now, let us proceed and find out why is this currency volatile. As people often say, Bitcoin is volatile. Simply means that Bitcoin can go up and it can go down in terms of the price, extremely high or extremely low. But let us get the definition of what volatile is. On bullet point number 2, we can see that it is liable to change rapidly and unpredictable, especially for the worse. So the price of Bitcoin can continuously change from time to time, and it is unpredictable. It could go up or it could go down, especially for the worse if it does go down. But if it goes up, then it is for the good. But Bitcoin, being the mother of all cryptocurrencies, seeing that it is one that came with the Genesis book, as they so say. Other cryptocurrencies emerged in the cryptocurrency space. Now we have over 2,000 or even 3,000 cryptocurrencies that are also affected by this volatile market. Now let's have a close look and see what are some of these cryptocurrencies that are affected by this volatile market. Let me just the page so that we can get the latest updates and see how well these coins are doing or how bad these coins are doing. Well, the coins in the green circle are coins that are doing well in the market. As you can see, they are in the positive. The coins that are in red circles, they are coins that are not doing well in the market. Now, I'll start with the coins in the green circle and their percentage, and then I'll move on to the coins in the red circle as well as their percentage. We have Gala, which is doing very well today. It is up by 7.4%. We have FTT, which is also up by 7.6%, which is doing very well today. We have CFX, which is up by 2.5%. And we have Matic, which is also up by 2.4%. Now let's have a close look at some of the coins that are not doing well today. We have BCH, which is down by 7.1%. Not only that, we have XEC, which is down by 6%. We have SUI, which is also down by 5.4%, as well as COMP, which is also down by 5.5%. Now, why are we having these coins doing well and some not doing well? Is because of what is happening in the global market. And this is coming from the news on what is happening in the global market that affects the economy and impacts these cryptocurrencies in a positive or rather a negative way. Now, let us have a close look and see what are some of the news that are affecting these cryptocurrencies to perform well or to perform in a bad way, so to say. To find out about the news headlines, you can just simply type coin market cap, then type headlines, then click on coin market cap headlines. You'll then be taken to this page. Now, these are some of the news for the day. that has to do with cryptocurrencies, as well as other news that affect the cryptocurrency markets. We have CFTC chair that clashes with the SEC, which is Gary Gensler. The SFTC argues majority of crypto should be seen as commodities. So the chair classes, and he says that most of the cryptocurrencies, they should be seen as commodities. So CFTC chair, who is Rostin Burnham, diverges from SEC chair Gary Gensler, calling for new crypto and DeFi regulations. Yeah, and then we have Cardano maintains dominance in developer activity charts with impressive score data. And then we have Experian share price LSE, EXPN show gains in October. Now, these are some of the headlines that we have today in the cryptocurrency space. Now, let us have a look at the important market cycles in the cryptocurrency space. We have 2022, which is the bear market. The bear market took place last year, which was 2022. The prices of cryptocurrencies were not performing well. They were in a negative, they depreciated, some by 50, some 40, some 60, even 90%. But now is the year 2023, which is the accumulation year. This is the year when cryptocurrency investors buy cryptocurrencies. Some do buy with a lot of money, but some do DCA, which is the dollar cost average. They are buying with as little as they have to accumulate these cryptocurrencies. And then we have 2024, which is Bitcoin halving cycle. Well, Bitcoin halving is when the number of Bitcoins that are mined being reduced to half. This mining takes place when miners set their computers to solve complex math problems. In so doing, they produce Bitcoin. So after the accumulation year, Bitcoin halving takes place. This is to counteract inflation and to ensure the scarcity so that the price can appreciate and crypto investors can get some of the profits in the cryptocurrency space. And then we have 2025, which is the bull run. Now, this is when the bulls run. When the bulls run, the price of cryptocurrencies appreciate. They go up, they do well in the market, they go up by 100%, some 1,000, some 50, some 40%. It depends on how well that coin is doing. When this happens, some of the investors, they get some profits when the price appreciate, but some of the investors who don't withdraw profits while the price appreciate, they miss out on the profit when the price depreciates once again to start the market cycle all over again. Now, let us find out the definition of what Bitcoin halving is. So Bitcoin halving is when the reward for Bitcoin mining is cut in half. Halving takes place every 4 years. The halving policy was written into Bitcoin's mining algorithm to counteract inflation by maintaining scarcity. So that's the definition of Bitcoin halving. So let us have a close look and see when is the next Bitcoin halving taking place. We have here block reward, which will decrease from 6.25 to 3.125 coins in approximately. So there's 204 days, 22 hours and 43 minutes left until the next Bitcoin halving. The estimated date and time of reward drop is 25 April 2024, 17 hours and 20 minutes. Now, as we know the important market cycles, we we are able to position ourselves and prepare for what is to come. In so doing, we need to invest in cryptocurrency information before we consider investing our money in cryptocurrencies. We need to get ourselves informed in terms of cryptocurrencies before we can invest our money in cryptocurrencies. So, as we know that there's over 1,000 cryptocurrencies, should you consider investing in cryptocurrencies? Be mindful that there are other cryptocurrencies and you can actually build a cryptocurrency portfolio for yourself. Now let's have a look at the importance of having a cryptocurrency portfolio and how it can help you position yourself very well for the next Bitcoin halving as well as the bull run. Now we can see how to build a long-term cryptocurrency portfolio. This is the example that has been presented before us. We have the code being BTC and the amount is 2. The BTC value is 1. The USD value is $1,756 dollars and 1 cent. We have the wallet value being $3,512 and 2 cents. The exchange being used as an example is Polynix. The percentage of holdings, it's up by 56.19%. From the bottom, we have Doge, which is the code, and we have the amount being 10. The BTC value is fractions of a penny. The USD value is 0.00. The wallet value is 1 cent. We have Polynix being used as an example, which is an exchange, and we have the percentage of holdings, which is at 0.00. Now, the coins that are listed on this portfolio are listed as an example on how you can put together your cryptocurrency portfolio should you consider investing in cryptocurrencies. Now let's see the historical data that shows the crypto market that has returned over 900% since 2017. Of course, this journey hasn't been all smooth, as evident from the often unprecedented dip and high trends of the market. But in the long haul, its valuation has been increasing as more investors join the trade. With this in mind, the idea of targeting long-term gains is more appealing than chasing short-term profits, which are often not as much as the former. Now, let's reading. While you are investing in the long-term promises greater returns, it should be noted that the method requires patience, keeping your emotions under check in all market times. To achieve this, you should only invest an amount that you can live without. So no matter what happens, you won't have the urge to sell your cryptos to sustain yourself. Also have a cushion to fall back on will prevent you from panic selling. Now, why should you consider a long-term crypto investment than a short-term crypto investment? Foregoing the short-term profits in favor of long-term gains is not only highly rewarding, but it's also less risky. As such, you don't have to worry about missing out on leveraging into a position or actually timing the market. Day trading, or rather short-term investment, is characterized by numerous transactions whose fees can quickly accumulate and eat into your profits. But when investing in the long term, all you have to do is to pick a few cryptocurrencies and then wait. This helps reduce the number of transactions, which will save you the fees that come with active trading. Now, these are the indicators of long-term value. Building a long-term portfolio boils down to the type of digital currencies that you invest in. So you don't just invest in any cryptocurrency. You have to be mindful of which cryptocurrencies you are investing in, because there's over 1,000 cryptocurrencies in the market. In so saying, it can be overwhelming to choose one that pays off in the long run. Now, here are a few factors that you need to consider when you choose cryptocurrencies for your long-term life portfolio. You have to look at the market cap, you have to look at the utility value, the industry, and make sure that you don't be too rigid. And the conclusion reads, while the above tips will help you build a long-term portfolio, you should note that the crypto market is highly volatile. To keep up with the trends, it demands you regularly track and rebalance your portfolio in line with your objectives. Also, it's a good idea to keep tabs on market events such as government laws in your jurisdiction regarding cryptocurrencies. These events eventually have an impact on price movement. Now, this is the importance of having a cryptocurrency portfolio. Now, with over 1,000 cryptocurrencies in the market, it's quite difficult to tell which one will do well and which one is not going to do well. So you need someone who is well informed as well as experienced. Now, to find out about this individual or rather people in the cryptocurrency space, you need to look around and you can actually find yourself a crypto mentor, because a crypto mentor can assist you in developing a comprehensive trading plan that aligns with your financial goals. They can actually help you set your realistic expectations, establish milestones, and refine your strategies. Now, what is a crypto mentor? A crypto trading mentorship programs have become indispensable resources for individuals interested in venturing into the cryptocurrency market. These programs offer quality education, personalized guidance, and risk management strategies to navigate the volatile crypto space successfully. So I have a cryptocurrency mentor myself, and I would like to recommend it so that you can also get the information that I'm getting. You can also get the videos that I'm getting from my mentor in terms of the cryptocurrency coins that I must buy, and when can I profit from them, and how much are the expectation in terms of the profits. So to find out about this cryptocurrency mentor of mine, to get full details, the information, testimonies from people who've been following this crypto mentor of mine, because he's been doing this for uh, over 1 year, 6 months when he started this program of having a members club. And there's quite good results from those who have followed this mentor. And that is the reason why I have considered following this mentor. And I am actually doing so. And I'm also building a portfolio of mine. So should this be a perfect fit for you? Well, you can simply click the link at the bottom of the description of this video. Then you simply copy it, you search on your browser, then you get all the information about this mentor of mine, and you can join the members club if you are interested. And I will also include a link on how you can fund your cryptocurrency wallet, which is Binance, from your bank account. I would like to thank you so much. Please ensure that you click that notification bell so that you can be updated on what is to come. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, recommend the channel to your friends, colleagues, family members, even your significant other, because I believe you can get value in this information and you can take the necessary steps that you need to should you consider investing in cryptocurrencies. Now I'm signing out. I will see you in the next one. You know, is the cash money master, and have yourself a fantastic Tuesday if you are from South Africa. But if you're from other countries, have a wonderful day because it could be a Wednesday. So thank you. I'll see you. I'll see you.